Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Claude AI to chat and work faster. So first you have to go to Claude AI, create an account, and here what you're going to do is you have to select your style right here. So basically tap on the option. Now, you can use Claude AI like a productive assistant. So you can write a professional email following up on a meeting, summarize a 30-page report in 5 bullet points, organize and brainstorm, translate or reword, and code and tech help. So I'm going to choose this one right here. So I will use the translate and reward right here. So this is a sample prompt. You can create your own, but you can also copy this one right here. So I'm going to copy this. I'll go back to Claude AI and I'm going to upload my PDF file right here and then paste the prompt. So this one is a Spanish version. So I want to translate this into English and then apply some prompts. So after that, I can press enter and then wait as it is processing. Now, Claude AI will, of course, create or speed up your workflow with smart commands too. So aside from that, you can also use smart prompts for speed once you have it right here. So, for example, you can ask Claude AI to summarize this in 3 points for this executive, act as a project manager, rewrite this text for a sixth grade reading level, which I'm going to use later. Compare the pros and cons of these 3 tools. So I'm going to delete others and then I'm going to ask Claude AI to review this text for a sixth grade reading level. Press enter and then wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the result right away. Also, you can ask Claude AI to read PDFs, Word docs, spreadsheets, image to image, or image to task. So basically, this is how easy it is to use Claude AI to chat and work faster. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.